In few days, I made a video about this platform popularly known as DOGE Telegram miner, and I show how to earn from this platform. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your money. So this is your first time on this channel. I need some of your time to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell. Subscribe to this channel and check the link in the description or comment section of this video and join all our social media platform, right? So that whenever I release any opportunity like this, you'll be the first person you see it, right? So you can see I have mined 48 dogs, right, that I'm about to convert to USDT and withdraw on this platform, right? So what you need to do is to tap on the me section here. So once you tap on the me section, you can see I have brokerage wallets and I have recharge also here, and this is my total balance of the Doge. So to withdraw this amount, what you need to do is to tap on the Doge/USDT. Here tap on the all. So you can see 48.94 Dogecoin will give you 5.3 USDT. So tap on confirm. So it will automatically convert to USDT. Then I withdraw on this platform, right? So I'm showing how you can withdraw on this platform once you get started, right? So you can see redemption successful. So let's go back. So once we come back, you can see our brokerage wallet have been created with 5.3 USDT. So to withdraw this, you need to tap on the withdraw button. So once you tap on the withdraw, then tap on PEP20, which is USDT, right? So on USDT PEP20, you can see minimum withdrawal amount is 1.8 USDT. And if you switch to TRS20, which is USDT, also you can withdraw minimum of 10 USDT. But our balance is 5 USDT. So we switch to PEP20 USDT, right? So that we can reach the minimum withdrawal, right? So what you need to do here is to paste your withdrawal address. So let me go and receive my withdrawal address. So here's my gate exchange, right? So let me copy my address, right? So you tap on the copy button there, you go back. So here is the platform. Here we paste the address here, then we tap on the amount, so which is all. So here we enter our security password, then we confirm the withdrawal. Let me type my password. So after that, we tap on confirm. So we can see it will be successful right now. So let's wait. You can see withdrawal successful, right? So let's wait whether it will arrive or not. So guys, in just few minutes you can see deposit arrive at 5.3 USDT on gate.io, right? So you can see the withdrawal having successfully arrived on our exchange, right? So guys, this is your first time on this channel and maybe you haven't seen this platform, and if you want to participate in this project, right, how do we start on this project? So once you tap on the link on the description section, it will bring you to here. So here you will see start button, then you tap on it. So it will bring you to the dashboard. So you see an announcement message here to read to understand the project. You can tap the cross button here and cancel it. Once it will bring you to here, what you need to do every day, you will see a claim button and then you tap on it to start mining like this. The next thing you also need to do is to complete a certain task here. You check in, you follow the official and invite friends. Also, you can also earn more. And the last thing to grade yourself is to come to the upgrade session here. Once you come to the upgrade session, so here you can see we have mining tools and have upgrade. So on the mining tools, I have purchased about 15 USDT that give me 20 dogs, and it's valid for 90 days, right? And the price is 15 as I said earlier, and 20 dogs is 2.5 USDT daily. So you draw 2.5 USDT daily, right? So once you have it, then you buy it. We can also have different 180 USDT give you 120, and but please know what you can afford to lose. This is not financial advice. So this is all about the Doge Telegram miner. This is how this project actually works. You can get daily income as low as 2.5 USDT up to 300 USDT. If you start the project, you can see something here. Earn free Doge points daily up to 300 USDT, right? So you can read more and understand how the referral program also works. You get 9% commission. So guys, this video was helpful. Consider like this video, subscribe and turn on notification bell so that whenever I upload new updates for ways to make money online like this, you'll be the first person you see. And I have a crypto community on the description section or comment section of this video that you can join us to get an instant update, any update that concerning ways to earn money and any update about crypto, right? So join our Telegram channel and join our WhatsApp group for discussion, anything you need to ask.